Hey budgeties, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Mo. I'm 29, working on my financial freedom journey. And if you're returning, hey friend. Okay, so in this video, we are going to go over our our transactions, and we're going to close out the first check for the month of June. My blinds are weighing back and forth because I accidentally hit them, but you know, life be lifing. We have the Sun, okay, an unpaid actor. Give it up for the Sun, everybody. Okay, so we are working in our budget planner. If you don't know, it's just a binder, okay? She's a cute little binder. I got some printouts, and that's how we doing this. So we also have our handy dandy pens here. We have a Pilot G207. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, so we're moving to the month of June because it's June, honey. I did do my 6-month update, where my husband and I, the progress we've made for 6 months, but I will also be doing the quarterly update because what is that? January, February, March, April, May, June. So we need to know April, May, June, which is literally, look at this. Come on, second quarter, April, May, June, this binder. So yes, we're going to go over the first, we're going to close out, not go over, we're going to close out this first paycheck budget as well as do our transactions. Okay, so I thought this was going to be a short video before, but it's really going to be a short video, y'all, because I literally been just chit-chatting, talking with y'all, and doing my transactions, and I found out it wasn't even recording. Dun, dun, dun. Doesn't that just suck? Oh, I hate that for us. Okay, but that's okay. It is what it is. It's going to be a short video because whatever. Now, I was basically explaining to you guys why there's so much freaking money on here. I'm going to go through some of these transactions still because I want to explain some things. But, okay, yeah, let's do that. We'll go through the transaction and explain some things. For the first thing I think I started off with, I don't know, was food, because it was after the trip, a lot of food for grocery shopping. And then my husband's birthday is coming up, so I did do some big purchases on Amazon. However, these are not his gifts, you guys. These are simply just for the aesthetic, or a part of the setup, I should say. It's nothing spectacular. I'll explain later, but my husband watches the video, so that's why I have to just say it like that. So that's where you get the 68 and the 14. Now, here on June 18th, we put down the majority of the money for our honeymoon. That's $3,223. This is going to be majority of the money because what we're doing is kind of all-inclusive. I will share later. But for safety reasons, I'm going to share sort of after we do it. But what we're doing is going to be in September. So that's coming up very soon. That's a lot of money. I wasn't proud of that number. My goal was to be in the 2000s, but my husband's like, if we got it, we got it. Let's just do it, because these are 2024 prices, and we have not really gone anywhere out of the country post Miss Rona. Okay, not post Miss Rona, honey. So this is why I'm just yeah, I don't know. That number scares the crap out of me. But it wasn't our high yield savings account, so I put it on my credit card so I can get all my little travel points, because your girl has travel credit cards. That's my Amex and my Capital One. And then, yeah, I took it out of my high yield savings account, and then I just paid my credit card back. So that's how we went with that. So then we have more food shopping, which was with Rouse's, Sam's, and Aldi's, and Walmart. If you don't know, we do multiple stores in a day, so we can get the best deals. We also try to look at the weekly ads and get what's on sale. A lot of times, stuff don't be on sale, okay? And if they say it's a sale, where the sale at? Is the sale in the room with us? But anywho, another thing I was saying is that I'm going to have to sit down with my husband and get the numbers from the local market, because we know we used to get our fish from Sam's Club, and we used to get frozen, frozen shrimp from Sam's Club. But we decided to start going to a local market. We do live in Louisiana, if you don't know. So we decided to go to a local market and get fresh food, because we are supporting small-owned businesses, 1. 2, it is more expensive, but again, it's fresh, it's not frozen, and it has a better taste. It has a fresher taste, especially what my husband said. I feel like I could tell a little bit, but my husband, he said he could tell a lot of it. So we're gonna believe him, y'all. And then here, so we were also talking about the fact that I said we were talking about because you wasn't there, so it was just me talking to myself. But how I decided to do a lot of shopping, unnecessary shopping, and I'm not returning the stuff that I got. And I know people love to say that, so I'm just gonna bite the bullet, okay, and just go from there. So Juneteenth, I was supposed to go outside and be cute, okay. They not like us. I did watch his performance. However, supposed to go outside, but it rained because it's summertime, and in New Orleans is tropical-ish, okay, tropical adjacent, and it rained. So I went somewhere it didn't rain, okay. And where didn't it rain? TJ Maxx and Express and Chipotle. And I spent $50 at TJ Maxx, $26 at Express. That was online. Chipotle, 10-10. Okay. And I know everybody was talking about how Chipotle don't give good sides, but they gave me a big side. Okay. They was like, listen, we want you. Get all the food. Come on, we're piling it on. They didn't even charge me for the sauce. You know the little sauce thingy? I love that thing. I get charged because I don't get a salad. I don't get no lettuce, okay? And they ain't charged me, and I love that for me. Anyhow, I had a good time spending a whole bunch of money that I did not plan out. So my goal for this month is stay on the budget. I don't know if that's happening. Anyways, also that same day, my husband and I went to Cheesecake Factory. If you don't know, they have this happy hour that's like, I think 4 to 6 or maybe 2 to 4, something like that. I have to figure out the time. I know it ends at 6. Basically, they have a whole bunch of appetizers and a whole bunch of like smaller portions of entrees that are only like $7.80. Perfect. Where did we go wrong is my husband likes to order drinks. This is how I know we were raised in 2 different households. How do I know that? Because in my household, my mama's house, when you go out, you're getting water. Okay, you're getting water. You're not getting drinks. Juice drinks, fruit drinks, alcoholic drinks. We ain't doing all that. So we ended up spending $58.21. Really, it was $48.21. We gave a $10 tip. I used to be a server back in my past life in undergrad. She don't play when it comes to the tips, okay? Just because if it's really good service, you know, you get bad servers a lot, and your tips are gonna show that you was a bad server. So we gave a good $10. I know some people say, oh, 10 is not the thing. What I learned, or what I'm used to, is that first number you add it up twice. So it was $48. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So at minimum 10% would have been $8. But we gave her 10. I liked it. Can we talk about these nails? Can we talk about how I spent almost $100 on nails and it's giving mediocre? Okay, so 82. Let's talk about the fact that I have nothing on my fingernails, and I didn't even get a manicure. I got my toes done. The color is ugly, okay? But I had gel nail polish on my toes, and I had gel nail polish on my fingers. And the lady, when I first got there, she said, you know they're going to charge you. I'm like, girl, yeah, I've been here before. I know they're going to charge me $7 to take it off. No, ma'am, no, ham. They charged me $15 to take my nails off, $15 to take my toes off. And not take them off, but soak them. Y'all, you charge me $30 just to soak? That's egregious. And then I think it was like $40 for the actual pedicure, because it ended up being $72. And I gave the man an $82 tip. And I just want to say, I didn't realize how bad the soak off was on my fingernails until I walked outside into the sunlight. Because this is Louisiana, the sun is sunning, and so a lot of places are like tinted. It's not dark in the inside, it's just tinted, you know, the windows. And maybe it is a little dark. Maybe the light is a little dim. Listen, the point is, I paid $82 and I did not like that at all. It makes me not want to go back, or at least not get gel nail polish. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do, because that's just ridiculous. So then I went to the hair store, some stuff for I put it was the house, because it's like some hair conditioner or whatever, and my husband and I both use it. This is emotional spending. Emotional spending, okay? Not damage, spending. First of all, I'm going through it, okay? With my full-time job, with trying to study. There's just like so much stuff going on at once. I hate when people say you can't have it all, because I will. I will have it all. I want to have it all, but I just know that I can't have it all at the same time, okay? I can't have it all at the same time, but my life can have it, just in different spaces. Anyways, I was a little emotional, maybe a little depressed, but it's okay because I have a therapy appointment, so we're going to talk about that. So I went to Applebee's. It was a happy hour. I got a drink and I got an appetizer. It only cost me $13, but I gave the bartender a 10. I do sit at the bar, you guys, especially when you take yourself on dates, and that's what I did. I went to the movie theater. It cost me $10. Haven't been to the movie theater in so freaking long. I saw Bad Boys. It was pretty funny, and it got my mind off of the troubles of the world. So these two were the emotional spending, the Applebee's and the movie theater. And then went back grocery shopping again, got a little extras from Aldi that cost $40.11. And then I got me some gas in my car. That was $25.14. And the thing about the gas is my best friend lives in LA, and she loves to talk cash money, because we don't have LA prices, baby. This LA is Louisiana. This ain't Los Angeles, okay? Ooh, where the sun going? So what we're gonna do, now that I've explained everything to you guys, is let's go through all the food, because as I'm about to close this out, we need to know the food amount. And so all of this spending, you're like, girl, well, where do you get the money from? Great question. This is why when it comes to like closing out the paychecks and then we say sinking funds, I'm a sinking fund type of girl. I'm gonna take that money from the sinking fund. Okay. Because I feel like sinking funds aren't a necessity. I'd rather have the stuff from the sinking funds cover my debt than debt be debt. I'm just saying. Okay. I'm just saying. All right. So bill, trip. Okay. I think I got all of it. I do know that I need to eventually write more bills down because I know there's more bills. So we're gonna put here, we're gonna put food so we can keep some consistency, because y'all know I be confusing myself sometimes. Is there any more highlighters over here? I use highlighters to study, so I do take them. Another thing, I'm gonna say this right here, like this is another thing I'm trying to figure out how we're gonna take it. I'm thinking I'm gonna take it out of my sinking fund, because this was our renter's insurance, which is $252.97. Gotta do better, y'all. Gotta do better. But let's go ahead and calculate the food. The sun has gone away, and I'm not surprised because it's probably gonna rain, because it does it almost every day. But again, the sun, you are unpaid. Listen, the sun said, pay me my wages. Okay, so the first food we got is $24.95 plus 15.26 plus 37.07. Okay. Plus is that a 7? 50.71 plus 9.57 plus 15.26 plus 37.07, okay, plus 50.71 plus, ooh, wait, look at that, 240 plus 9.57 plus 250. Ooh, I had to tell my husband, plus 40.11. And then we're gonna give my husband an extra, I'm gonna give him $20. I'm gonna say 30. Ooh, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna give him 30 for actually going to get the meat, okay, for food. Because I think that like the shrimp and I say it's a little bit more expensive. I think Sam's Club is cheaper in bulk because you get a lot more, but we just don't buy as much anymore. So I'm gonna call this, I don't know, market, fish market, and then we'll just say June, and then we can come correct it later. But because I feel like he said like $12 one time, $15 another. So I feel like adding 30 would be best. Plus 30. Wow. We are just horrible, y'all. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and close out. Okay, let's go ahead and close out because these transactions is a hot mess. Now, we have our black pen, but I think I'm going to use our navy blue. Why? Just because there's an extra couple things on here. Okay. So yes, we're starting off with 0. Yes, I got paid $2,395.99, and my husband ends up getting paid $16.25.16. And then I'm gonna put YouTube on this paycheck. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my content. I got paid $102.64. If you don't know, wait, $320.28. So let's put that on the side. $320.28, and that is food. I don't want to have to. I was gonna write it on the back, but never mind. I don't want to have to forget and add it up again. So let's see how much the income actually is. We got 102.64 plus 1625.16, and then plus $2,395.99. Okay, so we brought in a total of $4,123.79. Okay, so we can get to the bills of it all. As you see, I try to like do some check marks. This is us like when we just sit down and go on Sundays over the numbers. This is us. That electricity was not 130. It was like 150 or 140. I have to go check that out. 5150 subscriptions, 22. My husband's student loan got 300. Mine got 197. YMCA comes out the top of every month. I was gonna say year. And then car insurance comes out at the end of every month, and life insurance as well. So I'm not gonna add those up. However, our savings are, in fact, we're giving $291. We gave $291. We did give my husband $200 for his emergency fund, and question mark on sinking funds because why? We are over in food by a whole bunch. So it's $320.28. Ridiculous. Now, when it comes to the gas, whether we spend the $40 on gas or not, we take the money, okay? Same thing with fun. We take the money. So he take his 90, I take my 90, and we part our ways with the 90. Now, one thing I will say is $550 is what we said for extra for student loans. That did go. However, anything that comes from YouTube, I like to put towards my student loans. Mine, not his. Love him mad. Oh wait, how do people put the heart look like gang signs? These are not gang affiliated. Okay, so $550. I try to add everything from YouTube. So thank you guys so much for watching. To my student loans. So 102.64 plus 550 is 652.64. Okay, 652.64. I'm excited to close out my student loans or our student loans for June because I'm telling y'all, it's we've been adding money and I'm excited. But yeah, I'm so sad that you guys didn't hear my whole rant because it was like a good 20-30 minute rant. But maybe God said, chill out, okay? Keep it cute or keep it mute. That's what he said. Because the fact that it really wasn't recording is crazy. But this is the second paycheck, and then this is the month. Okay, yeah. So this is where we go. It's a lot of spending, and I guess I'm gonna have to close out and see like what we end up doing, how much. I want to do better with the sinking funds. I actually want to log the sinking funds. I haven't even done that, y'all. I've been spending so much. I don't know. It's hot outside, okay? It's 95 degrees or whatever. And I don't know, heat screams spend money. Heat screams spend money. Every time I walk outside, the money is spent and I gotta do better. So this is just a learning process. It's like, I feel like I've been budgeting and trying to figure my money out for 4 years now by myself. And then now with my husband, you just gotta keep going. You just gotta figure it out along the way. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.